Because, baby, this is giving all natural to the 5th power. Baby, listen. The unit can be on point, okay? The curls, the density, the style, everything could be A1. But that hairline, if that hairline ain't given, it just ain't given. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn. Here we are. Before we get into this, definitely hit that subscribe button, share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. And big thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sending out the unit for today's review, and also big thank you to them for this beauty that I'm wearing right now, baby. So this is another unit by them. If you are interested in the video, definitely click the I will have it linked up above. So I think I will make that a staple on this channel. If it's a unit by a company that I'm reviewing, then I will definitely come back with a short update. So this one has held up really good. I think the hairline still looks good. The curls are still looking nice. I've installed this about maybe 4 times, and baby, she just gets better with time. Put some respect on the slay. Yeah, so we'll stop that and we'll go ahead and get into this video, baby, cause honey, I'm hoping for another, here it comes, winner chicken dinner. This is their Kinky Curly 13x4 unit with kinky edges. However, the knots are not bleached on this unit. Now, this unit does start off at 14 inches and goes all the way up to the length I do have, which is the 24-inch. Basic cap construction, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. They do also have an elastic band that is adjustable on this cap. Yes, baby. Yeah. Looking at this unit, this is very full, and the curls are always so soft and seem so manageable out of the pack. So they did take the liberty to go ahead and curl these edges for you. Lace looks pretty good. You know, she's always blendable. I usually don't have an issue when it comes to their lace. We're gonna go ahead and I've said this time and time again, I do wish that these elastic bands were actually sewn into the cap. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this unit or tint the lace right now. So I'm gonna start at the top. Now, me personally, I like to go a little lighter with the first spray. So if I need to add something, I could do it. Because once you put it on there, sis, sometimes there ain't no takebacks. Yeah. This body, baby, oh. This body, baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel me late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and blow.
So the only couple of things I'm going to do, of course, we're going to fix these baby curtains here. So I did go ahead and glue down the ear tabs, but that was it. I am going to keep everything else glueless on this unit. I'll go in with the Nairobi mousse. Place it on my fingers, and I am just going to kind of brush these in. Listen, tell me your curly unit is versatile without telling me your unit is versatile. Because, baby, this is giving all natural to the 5th power. Definitely beginner friendly. I did style this right out of the pack. I did a very careless flip over. So if you are a beginner, you don't want to do anything to your unit, or maybe you're not comfortable doing it, you can definitely take this out of the box, cut the lace, play with the curly baby hairs a little bit, and you are good to go. You know, everyone isn't gonna be into the messy kind of hairline type of vibe. I know some people like the swoopity swoops, some people like a clean hairline. For me particular, I like it to look nice and soft, wispy, almost messy, if you will. You know, that's just what I'm comfortable with, and I think this is the perfect unit to do this. Now, I do see a couple of areas where I am getting, you know, just a little bit of slippage, okay? So I would definitely advise either gluing this unit down, or you could go through with some bobby pins, you know, and pin it however you're going to tighten it. You could also use the elastic band in the back to do that as well. So I do see like one area right here where I would just kind of, you know, just play with it a little bit, cover it. But you cannot tell me that this is just easy. You do not have to have any skills, no plucking, play with the baby hairs, finesse, and slay accordingly. Density's good. It's nice and full. I did tease it. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I wanted a full ponytail look. You don't have to worry about any of the flaws or anything showing in the back. The ponytail is going to cover it all. I don't believe any tracks are going to show. However, we will see with the 360. And you are good to go. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by Klaiyi Hair, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will have all the details for your purchase. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in as well. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Definitely share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.